Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. How are you?
Waalaikumsalam, Salam, sir.
All right. Okay.
Fine, sir.
Fine. Everybody's fine. All right. Okay. Before we start, just like what we normally do. Any question? Any problem with the things that we do on Monday? All right. Okay. Good. So what we were doing last time? I think we stopped here. We stop here. Okay, we were doing the question number berapa? Number 42. Number berapa? This company, yang jeans company. Are you finished with this example? Are you finished? Where are you now? Where are you? So that I can see. So lalu apa?
Itu, sir.
32. Okay. So where are you now? Are you done with the objective and the constraints, or where is it? Tell me. Because this is where we stop. All right. I want you to finish it up. So now, where are you? Tell me. Are you done with the objective and the constraints, or are you still working on the constraints? And hey, where are you?
Done, sir.
Finish with the objective? Okay. So what I want you to
Done
do.
with the objective, sir.
All right, good. So what I would like you to do, I want you to finish it up. Okay, I give you time to do in class, and then I want you to submit to me. This is considered as the in-class homework. So I call this the homework question number 32. You don't have to do very nice work. Okay, you just do. So I would like you to finish up this question. Okay, you are now you already finished up to the objective and the constraints. I would like you to find the solution. Find the solution. So I want you to show the graph, find the corner points, give me the solution. Okay, I give you 15 minutes. After that, okay, this is in class, only for those who are present now. If you are absent, you don't have to do. So I give you 15 minutes. At the end of class, you send to me. Okay, end of class, I would like you to send to class. I will put the, what do you call it? The homework. Okay, homework. I put the homework and you send to put the homework number 2. Okay, there will be homework number 2. You send to class immediately after class. Okay, all right. So right now, I'll give you 15 minutes. You get everything. Okay, all right. Because there are only 2 inequalities, so I don't think that will take too much time. Okay. Okay, do it now. I'm going to set up the homework. Yeah. Okay. This one is not group. Okay. This is individual. You submit your own work. All right. This is individual work, not a group. Okay. So don't think that you are a group. You write your friends then. So this is your own. Okay. You submit only for you. Okay. All right. Any question? Okay, good.
You mute.
Okay, the question is the question that we did example on Monday. All right. So you should know. Okay, don't ask me which page number or what question number. Okay, the question is the question that we did on Monday. So finish it up and then submit to me. Okay. So that question on the genes, on the genes. So don't ask me what page number. Nobody should know the page number. So this is the one that we do, okay, the question that we do on Monday. So everybody should know. If you attended the class on Monday, you should know. All right, that's the question. Are you done yet? Hello? Are you finished? If you have not finished, I will give you a little bit more time. Dah siap belum?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, I'll give you 5 more minutes. Assalamualaikum. There are only 2 people. Okay, there are only 2 people who have not put your picture yet on your name. Yeah. Have you been attending my classes, or are you not? Are you my student? Are you not my student? This guy here, who? Do you belong to this class or you don't? Or have you been absent from my class all the time? Who? Answer me. Where are you? Do you understand English or you don't understand English? Okay, I asked you already a few times, many times in fact, put your real picture here. Okay? If you don't understand English, then that's a big problem. Okay, this is another guy, Harris Haikal. I've never met this guy here. I know I've never seen the name. Are you just starting my class? Did you just join my class or what? Yeah, Muhammad Harris, where are you?
No, sir.
Did you know that I asked you to put in your picture like everybody else? Yeah. Did you know that or you didn't know?
I think I know, sir, but every time I log in into Zoom, I have to log in manually, not automatically. So my profile picture is
is that right?
it disappear every time I
If
open my laptop.
manual, if you do manual, your picture that get to where? Oh, there. Okay, so what you do, if that is the case, then nothing much I can do lah. But put your picture dekat classroom, right? So that I can see you. Okay, this guy who? What's the problem? You can put X here. What is X? I want to see you. I want to see your face. Do you understand me? Who? Diam pula ni. Ni who? Who are you? Okay, this guy here who? I saw you here. You put a message in chatting here. This guy. Okay. Do you hear me? Okay. If you hear me, okay. If you don't hear me, that's your problem. If you hear me, please put your picture. All right. Ni macam bengang ni betul.
Sir, are you call me?
Huh? Yes. Yeah, are you who?
Hushua, you can call me Marianne.
Mariam. So put in your picture, okay?
Okay.
Put in your picture so that I know, I know your face. Otherwise, I do not know who you are. Okay, because we are online. I don't see you, I do not know you, So the only way to know my students is by having picture, right?
Okay.
Until you speak, I didn't know whether you are a boy or a girl, because I'm not very familiar with the Chinese name, so I thought you were, either a boy or a girl, but you are a girl. I listened to your voice, but now put your picture, okay? All right.
Okay.
Okay. I would like you to do this. Can you stop for a few minutes? Okay, can you stop for a few minutes? I want to discuss, okay? As we do this question, I want to discuss. So you stop now, okay? I would like to discuss for the first part. Now, what you do for your work, you do the correction, okay? You do the correction. If you are wrong, then make the correction on the same page. Do the correction on the same page. You don't have to erase anything. Keep what you did, okay, so that I see what you were doing. And then you just put the correction, right? Put the correction in a different color, okay, so that I see, how you do the correction. And then you can see where you did the mistake. All right, so don't have to erase anything. Just leave it as it is, your work. So if you look at the question, the problem is what? So I start here, right? I put down here. The problem is to maximize profit. Of course, you can look at a little earlier. You can summarize information. The factory is producing the two types of beans, 891 and 917. And then they want to maximize profit. They want to find how many pairs of each jeans to sell. And then there are two processes, the cutting and the assemble finishing. So these are the basic information, all right? So you can say that the objective is what? Objective is maximize profit. Okay. And then you have to sell pairs of what? Pairs of number 891 and number 917. So from here, okay, we know the variables. What are the variables? The variables are X, the number 891 tins in pairs. Y is the number 917 genes also in pairs. So, for example, if you just write down there in your answer, F genes, so that is not complete. You have to put S. So you make the correction, all right? Put SN. Okay, all right. So because we need the unit. So these are the variables which we know from reading the question. And we do the tabulation, all right? So now you can come up with the inequalities. So these are the inequalities. So you have what? I have 10x plus 10y less or equal to 7,500. And then for the assembly, 20x plus 20y less than 19,500. So you see there at most means less or equal to. And then you add the constants because we are in applications. X bigger or equal to 0, y bigger or equal to 0. All right, everybody got it? Okay, good. So if you did wrong, all right, write the correct one below it, okay, or by the side. So don't worry whether you got it wrong, okay? Now the question is, the thing is, we are not concerned about right or wrong, okay? I'm concerned about you doing it. If it is wrong, we make the correction. If it is correct, that's good, okay? And then I want you to submit as it is, okay? All right. So those are the inequalities. So what you do next is you write the problem. Okay, all right. So we'll continue. Is this correct? So if you're doing this, is the table correct? Or from the table we will get inequalities. The inequalities correct? H 891. Oh, it's not 10. It is what? So, this was what I did last class. What should it be? Is it 10 and 10 or what? Don't follow me. Masa lubuk itu dia lubuk.
Yes.
Susah. Is it 10 and 10? It's 891. Take 10 and 20. And then 10. So the inequalities are Now we come up with the profit function. Okay, so we know the objective is the profit equal to what? AX plus BY, which is also it's always linear function. And you are given the profit per unit of each model. You have what? 18. So 18x plus 22.5y. So that is our profit. So given the table, which you will come up with inequalities, now we can write the problem. Okay, what is the problem? Problem maximize P equal to 18x plus 22.5y. Subject to. So we can just write ST lah, boleh lah. The inequalities, what are they? Then x, there are only two. Okay, aside from the positive x and y lah. Then x plus 10y less or equal to 7500, number one. And then what else? 20x plus 30y less equal to 19,500. Okay, now I'm asking you, where are you now? Where are you? Tell me. Tell me where are you so that we can roughly get idea where are you now. Are you doing the graph or are you already finished?
Finish.
Huh? Finish.
Already
Finish. Okay. Those who have not finished, please tell me you are not finished. Anybody who has not finished yet?
me.
Okay. Where are you now?
Finding the corners.
Okay. Finding the corners. Okay. Finding the corner points. Okay. The other person, where are you now?
Same, sir.
Okay.
Finding the corner.
All right. I give you 5 more minutes. The other people, you can rest. Okay. If you are finished, you can rest. I give you 5 more minutes for those friends, to finish up. I give you time.
Sir,
Excuse me, sir. Can I ask?
Okay, okay. Let's continue. So you have the inequalities. you can add. Right? You can add the x because equal to 0. If you don't do that, it's also fine. And this one is optional because for application, we understand that. So for these inequalities, you get the corresponding equations. So you can write there the equations. I got 10x plus 10y equal to 7500. Okay, work this out. All right, work this out. You will get the x-intercept, the y-intercept. I'll just give you the points. So the x-intercept is what? 750. The y-intercept 0.750. Okay, so that is it. So show me the work. Okay, I don't do that because you will take time. And then for the second one, I got 20x plus 30y equals 9500. You work the x-intercept, the y-intercept. I get 650, and then the y-intercept is no, x-intercept is not 650. The x-intercept is 950. Oh no, 975. 975. After that, 975. 975. And the y-intercept is 0.650. Okay. Correct or not? Check with your work. Are they the same or they are not the same with yours?
Same.
Okay.
Same.
So majority get this. If you got it wrong, that means you are wrong. If you got this wrong, okay, write like the correct one. So you check your work. Where did you went wrong? Right? Where did you went wrong? And then you check. So I'm not going to do that. You have to check on your own. So these are the intercepts. What we do next is we draw the graph. Okay, so draw the graph nicely. All right, draw it nicely. Now, since you don't need the negative parts, since also the intercepts are all positive, okay, so we just focus on the positive side. So I got x and y here. You can draw, you can use interval. Berapa pakai interval? 100. 100 boleh lah. Ke 500. 100, 200, 700, banyak tu. So I use 500 for the x. Okay, for the x, I use 500 here. 1000. Sini pun sama lah. So number 1, 750 somewhere there. 750 somewhere here. You connect the points. Now label the line. Okay, label the line. What is this? X plus ny equal to 750. Now we want less than, okay? Less than, you use a test point 0, 0, you will find that there will be the line. Okay, you can put here, if there is a space, you can put that. X plus y less or equal to 750. Okay, the next inequality. 9750. 9750 be somewhere here. And then 050 somewhere there. So you got the line. That is 20x plus 20y equal to 9500. And you want less than also. So since there are only two inequalities, it's very straightforward for us to get the feasible region. And you have, x bigger than 0, the other points there, zero there. So our feasible region is the region bounded by that line, that point, that line, the y-axis up to 0, the x-axis up to the point, then up to that point, There. So this is our visible region. Label the visible region. So once you have labeled the visible region, you label the points. So call it A, B, C. Now the label is up to you. You can label A atas tu tak boleh, ada. Okay, it's up to you to label, not necessarily A 00. You know, you can choose A your on yourself. All right. So the only corner points that you need to find, because here the intercepts are given, intercept here are given, so you need to find C. Okay. Now you have to find C. A block C. It's a system of what? System of 20x plus 30y equal to 19,500. And then you want 10x plus 10y equal to 7,500. So you work this out. Okay, show the work. Here I don't show the work. Now, for those people who get the solution, what is the point C? Anybody? Okay, what do you get for point C?
304.50.
300.
450.
450. Okay, everybody else got that point? If
Yes.
many people
Yes.
dapat, maknanya
Yes,
betul lah.
sir.
Kalau orang lain dapat tempat lain, point lain, maknanya maybe kita akan terbuat silap. So that is point C. All right. So you got the point C, 300, 450. We tabulate the corner points. All right. So, okay. Actually, this thing here go only to 100 pages. After that, I got to create another folder. Okay, are you same with me? I mean, are you consistent with me? That means we are here. Everybody need more time looking at the graph. So you do your correction. Okay, if there is any mistake, do the correction. If your mistake is getting that point C, you just give the correct point. If your visible region is wrong, you label it again, show the correct visible region, but don't take out your original visible region, okay? Because that's our mistake. We should know our mistake. And then once you know your mistake, then only you can make the correction, all right? Okay. So, finish, done? All right, so I will make another, no, another note. Okay. So you have the corner point C, and then we label the corner point. I mean, not label. So you have the corner points. And then we have the objective. 18x plus 22.5y. Okay, so point A, 0, 0, that is straightforward. Point B, what was it? Point B, 750, 750 lah. Ke 650. No. 750,
750.
750, 0. Point C, 650. Betul tak? 0, 650. Betul ni, sebab saya dah, I cannot check my other graph because it's already in different lambat.
So C that you have calculated is 304.50.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Saya can see intercept tadi. Saya tak tulis. Sini apa? Oh, D0650. Okay. Now you substitute each of the corner points into the P. So P equal to what? Equal to 18, 0 plus 22.50 equal.
Sir,
Yeah,
I have a question.
okay.
Is it 18x plus 22.5y or 6x plus 7.5y?
The profit, I think the profit should be 18x because profit per unit. Okay, profit per pair of 891 is 18. All right, and then profit on Y 917 is 22.5. Okay, how do you get 6? Tell me. You divide by 2.
That's the 10
By-
addition. That
My book
the
is
book.
6x. My book is 6x plus 7.5y.
Sir, I think there is a difference between your definition and our
Okay,
definition.
your book edition berapa tu?
10th edition.
10 edition. But are we looking at the same problem? 917, 917, 891? Sama.
The book is different.
The only
But
difference is the price.
we have the same question on the genes. Okay.
Yes,
Table sama, table. The inequalities, are they the same?
sama.
Sama. Just the profit lain eh? Okay.
Yes.
If your book have that question, the profit per unit is 6, and the other one is 11. So you follow your book, right? So if you have different addition, your profit is equal to berapa tadi? Beritahu dia 6x plus berapa?
7.5y.
7.5y. Then you pakai ni lah, right? Saya pakai ni lah sebab saya punya buku yang tu. Because that is the only difference. Yang ni je. All the other things are the same. So not that bad lah. Unless, for your book, question dia semua numbers tukar, then I have to, we have to rework on that question. Okay, but the only difference is, so if your profit is 7y, you set. Tak payahlah nak guna x plus 22.5y. Okay, because you already did the other function. Okay, so cari sendiri lah. Okay, and then the profit for the second point, I got 18,750 plus 22.5, 0. Berapa dapat? 18 kali 750, berapa dapat?
13,500.
13,500.
500.
Then the second point, or the third point, I got 18,300 plus 22.5, 450.
15525.
5525. Okay, thank you. 18,0.
Apa?
Ini berapa ni?
14625.
So if you look at the table, the solution we know would be this value, 15,525. And the point would be 300, 450. So we do our, okay, just describe that solution, the point. So what you do here is this. We say to maximize profit, we have to sell how much? 300 pairs. Number berapa tu? Number 891 jeans. And 450 pairs of 917 genes. And then the maximum profit is $15,525. So that is, so any mistake that you do the correction. Okay. All right. Now I want you to give you marks for yourself. If everything is correct, a little mistake, okay, give you 10 points. So maximum 10 points. If you make some mistake, okay, if you are wrong by 50%, right? If you are wrong by 50%, paruh salah, okay? Paruh salah. Okay, now if you have a little mistake, then either you give yourself 9 or 8. Kalau terlampau banyak sangat salah, bagilah 3. Okay, 3 or 4. But don't give yourself 1 or 2. Even though that you have so much wrong, minimum you give yourself 3. Right? But I want you to know where your mistake is. Okay, where your mistake is, so that we can, you can make it on that. Okay, all right. So give yourself the points. Now I want you to submit now. Okay, you submit now. I'm going to stop class now. Okay, so you submit to the homework. I already put the homework. I already put the. If it is very difficult to do, ambil gambar je. Okay, ambil gambar dengan your handphone. Then send to the classroom. Make sure dalam PDF file. Right. So I want you to do it now. Okay. So if you have difficulty getting benda tu, yang nak scan semua tu kan, ambil gambar dengan phone, hantar je. Because this is homework. Right. Tapi ambil gambar dengan phone, gambar je cantik sikit lah. Okay. So make sure you put your name, your matric number. Alright. Okay. So I give you 10 points for this. Oh, banyak kerja. So, okay, submit now. Right. Submit now. I already put that announcement in the classroom.
So, sir, the full mark is 10 marks.
Yeah, full mark 10 marks. If everything correct, a little bit mistake, bagilah 10. If you have a lot of mistakes, bagilah 5 ke 6. So you give yourself a fair amount of marks. Don't be too generous, okay? Don't be too generous to yourself. Strict sikit. Tapi janganlah strict.
Kalau
Okay.
salah describe,
Salah boleh?
yang bawah sekali ni, yang hashtag ni, salah hashtag.
Ni, salah boleh? Salah ni?
Salah interpret tu.
Apa yang silap? What did you do? Beritahu saya.
Saya buat. So the point C 300, 450, maximum the objective. The maximum value is 15525.
So does it have a meaning? Like I said here. Okay, does it have a meaning? It means we have to sell, right? You have to sell that many units of 891, and then that many pairs of 917. If you make it too simple, you say the point is 200, 300, 450. What are we talking about? Okay, we're talking about the application. When we do application, we have to go back to the variable. How do you define the variable? Okay, so if you miss this 300 pairs of 891 genes and 450 of 917 genes, but you say X, okay, but you say X, that is not a major mistake. That's a major mistake. Okay, So if there is nothing, if there is one more minor mistake that you made earlier, tak apalah, you give yourself 8 or 9, okay? Correct?
Okay, sir.
Any other things? Okay, so good. All right, you submit now because I'm not planning to cover a new topic. We are done with chapter number 4. So for now, okay, chapter 4, we are finished. So next week, we will start with the derivative. So we will with derivative, new topic. So I have only 15 minutes, so I think you better spend your time, until the next class, submit that homework. Okay, all right. Any other things? Then you mention this amount. Okay, like I said earlier, your profit function is different. Okay, so when your profit function is different, then the maximum value, or for that matter, all the values for different corner points will be different. So just follow yours, right? So if your book is using the other profit function, then you say X and Y, 300 pairs of 891, 450 of 917, same, but the maximum profit is different. The maximum profit is $5,175. Jangan tulis yang saya punya ni. Okay, mine is according to that profit function, 11th edition. Okay. Okay, we submit now, right? For our class end now, so you can leave. Not 10:50, 11:50. Check out. Boleh tak? Oh ya, satu benda lagi. Okay, good. You put in your section number. Okay, don't forget to put in the section number. I think most of you already put that. Tapi there are still a number of students have not put in your section number. Okay, please put your section number. So that will be easy on me to do, to record your attendance and also record your mark. Ini section 12 ni apa saya kat sini? Okay, Ria Fauzia. How come you are here? You are in section 12. Section 12 is not here. This is only for 7, 8. Okay? If you are in section 12, I think you are in the wrong class. Okay, Ria Fauzia, are you here? Hello? Ria Fauzia, are you here or you are not here? I still see your name here. Ini section 12 ni. Did you put the section number wrong, or you are actually in section 12? If you are in section 12, then you are really making.
Yes, sir.
Are you in section 12 or you what?
My section?
Your section. Is it 12 or what? Fauzia, if
Section 9.
if you are in section 12, then you are in the wrong class. You should attend the correct class. That means your section number, your real section number. Section 12, you will not. You are not in my section. What section are you in?
Section 7.
Then why you put 12? Okay. So if you are in
Yeah.
7, put 7. Yeah, put 12.
Yes. No,
Okay.
7.
Put 7.
Yes.
Now yours is section 12. So that is wrong. Okay. All right. Put 7. Okay. So for those people who have not put your section number, please do so. Should do so now. Don't wait. Okay. Submit now. Okay. Everybody submit now. I want to see all your answers in by the end of class. So by 11:20, all the answers must be in.